Hi guys, I will gonna show to you all our subscriber were not allowed to walk alone with foreigners here, even for Filipino. So we're here in Perimeter Road and we're driving right now with motor. So let's go. Always here it's all dark, so it's not good if you alone here. Perimeter Road, guys. As you can see, even we have light already.
Yes, this is bar,
Yes,
but
it's bar.
bar is already closed.
It's so scary. Also for me and for all foreigners go here.
This is two popular bars.
Two popular bars here.
These bars. But walk here not recommended. Even Boomerang Hotel very close, but we don't know who will sit there. This side, this is also bar. One of bar is already open right now.
Yes, only one open.
Steelman. Steelman bar. I don't know, it's gay bar or not. What do you think,
I
Shaira?
don't know.
Candy bar close.
And right now, even it's Monday, don't have people. They're closed.
Already closed.
Yes. If you want to wait some jeepney to go to walking street, better here in the Petron.
Yes, most of
Have so
jeepney
many,
stop here.
yes, so many people also here. Even workers from gas station can help you if you have some problem.
If don't have jeepney, you can walk, but only side of like this guy.
Yes.
Not go inside, not go to the dark place. Safety if side of the road is safety.
Because most of restaurants here and bars and hotels are closed after 1 a.m. So
The column dark, don't
we
surprise.
start here. Open also here.
But open one bar.
Yes, one bar only.
ABC Hotel.
ABC Hotel. already after here. And Hercules.
And now we turn to Kandi Hotel, where Georgi have problem before, not only Georgi. This place is safety, but because so many security guard,
And so many tricycle driver also here.
but if we turn right, you can see this is road, this don't have hotels, don't have bars. Someone who live in this area apartment even have this light, it's not safety. Take a look here, don't have people.
In this time, not so many people in this road because they go home already. And it's not easy to walk alone here because it's dangerous to go alone.
Georgi said maybe here we wait him. Here, because it's
Yes, it's
dark,
dark.
don't have light. But if girls walk, they not alone, they together.
But in this side, so have light. Because
Yes,
it's near
better walk
Candie
to
Palace.
this side. This side is more
Yes.
better. Now we going to Santa Street.
And it's so dark here.
This is
$4.
ex-freelancers park. This one.
It's bar before.
But near walking street so many people. Las Vegas open right now. So many girls already here. But envy don't have people. Turn camera here, Shaira, this side.
Yes.
Put camera another side, Shaira, please. Shaira afraid. Turn camera if see good working girls. But I can understand, of course. Billiard already closed. But for Monday, so many people. For Monday. Tequila Reef also closed. Freelancers left side. This is freelancer. One freelancer stand. Show, Shaira. Yes, show. One customer asking how much. One euphoria. There's so many freelancers this place always. Dark place, dark show, Shaira, show camera.
This is dark place.
Yes, it's better not alone, not go alone. Indian restaurant. This also girl freelancer. But girl Shaira not afraid, stand alone, not afraid.
Because they find some work.
Yes, she find work, but she not afraid stand in dark place. It's Vince Hotel. I don't know, if stay in this expensive hotel, how to walk? So dark.
So dark, all dark place.
Yes, and only girl walk together. Because it's alone, not safety here.
Yes.
This is left side is girl freelancer. Yes, this guy asking how much. Interesting, how much?
You want to go outside?
Maybe
You ask?
1,000 she say. What you say?
You want to ask?
It's okay, I can ask, no problem for me. But already another people asking, why I need ask. Also here, take a look, here, so many freelancers. So many, but it's dark. How to choose girl, I don't know. For example, this girl, sit, how to choose? I don't know. Not easy to choose. Not easy to, cannot see.
Even right now we use
Also here, left, right side, Shaira, show
that's
camera,
right side.
right side. Also here. Okay, we can tour right now. Okay, you hold camera same. Well. This is short time hotel. This is hotel 250 peso. Girl already stand. Take a look. She already stand near show here. She
Yeah.
already stand. I will ask how much. I will ask how much. You not show camera, put down camera. I just ask. Hello. How much? How much? Huh?
I have already.
You already have. I know, guy. But about, you don't know how much here. About 1,000, 1,500. About 1,000, yes? No, it's good price. Good. But it's safety here or not? But because it's not dark time, it's not easy. Okay, thank you. Bye. No, about 1,000 peso. It's price 1,000. Yes, this guy take for 1,000. Also here, right side, but we cannot see.
yes, cannot
How
see
to
the
choose
view.
girl if we don't know, yes? I don't know, you go to this place and with flashlight and choose girl, and I don't understand.
Even this small side also,
Right?
small side here.
One girl also left side, also freelancer. So many freelancer, Monday, so many.
So we use this road. We can
Yes, we can turn to back side of walking street.
But have light here.
Yes, have massage place, massage spa also. Now open spa. Massage open. Pacific Breeze Hotel. Have light here.
Yes, have light here. It's okay to walk here.
Yes.
Secret garden also is open.
Scoreboard Hotel. Also all with light. It's good.
Yes, it's good
And
to walk.
massage spa. In front of Scoreboard Hotel have massage spa. place we will show right now. Take a look, Shira. So many girls.
Yes, so
really.
many girls
Monday,
right
so many girls. Why you not show?
Let's show it.
Korea, guys. Turn camera here more, Shira. Race bar open now. Ну, kimchi 24 hours open. Yes, we will show this place. It's also popular place. We put camera another side shot. Also this road is not safety if walk alone.
But have bars also here.
We're going to Juanita or Juanita, I don't know how to correct to say.
Juanita.
Juanita, yes? Juanita apartments. Have light, but I don't know, maybe not safety.
But this part,
Because don't have so many hotels, it's only one hotel here. Don't
Yes.
have security guard. I cannot see security guard here.
it's Juanita.
Juanita guest house. Open. Okay, we already show to our subscribers most of dark places in Angeles City, in Balibago. Thank you guys for watching our channel. I hope this video help someone who want to go to Angeles City. And I hope you not go to this dark place in at night
Yes, that's
because
not good.
it's not safety. It's really not safety. Thank you for watching this video.
Hi guys, we're here in McDonald's. You know already why we're go nighttime because I'm hungry always. This every 2 a.m. I need to eat heavy meal before I sleep. So let's go to McDonald's.
Thank you for watching. You don't
And
want to
also,
say?
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like and don't forget to comment all what you want and your request in our video. So thank you.